Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate text inside of Foxit PDF Editor. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up Foxit PDF Editor and open up that PDF document that you'd like to rotate text inside. So we've got this house plan for this demonstration. So once we've opened up our project, we want to go ahead and click onto the edit option and click on select. So we want to select text and image. Now, for example, we can see here, we can select this text. Now, from here, we can go ahead and just click onto it and then click on the text box and then click onto edit text. And then once you click on edit so if we go from hand, we can move our document around. But once we click on edit, you'll see all of the text fields has been, there's little boxes around it. So from there, we could just go ahead and click on the box. And then we can rotate text like that. Click onto this. We can do the same here. So yeah, that's how to rotate text inside of Foxit PDF Editor.